Do you ever find yourself in a pickle?
Huh?
What am I gonna do?
Hey babe, I'm gonna go down to the grill and grill off the burgers. Can you get the condiments ready?
Sure thing, hon. Cripes! We only have one pickle left!
Don't let that happen to you. I'm gonna show you how to make pickles in less than 10 minutes. Most of you know if you've ever tried to make pickles yourself, usually most of the recipes can take up to a week, days to make. As a chef, we've learned some really cool techniques to make them super quick. So I want to share that with you guys. This recipe is so simple and so incredibly quick. What you're gonna need is an English cucumber. Trust me on this one. It's less seedy in the middle, it stays crisper, and the skin is a little bit thinner. I prefer it. You're also gonna need a white vinegar. I like this one from Trader Joe's. It's like a white balsamic kind of. It's really delicious. And then I also use apple cider vinegar with the mother. I'm gonna go through all the ingredients for you really quick. A tablespoon of raw honey. That's what we use for a sweetener. A half a cup of apple cider vinegar. And then we're gonna use a half a cup of water. A full cup of the white vinegar. A few peppercorns. I'm just gonna add like 4 peppercorns, I think, so that's not really a measurement, but there you go. I use a half a tablespoon of coriander seed, an 1/8 of a teaspoon of chili flakes. If you like it spicier, go crazy. 1.5 tablespoons of sea salt. I'm gonna use some fresh thyme, 2 garlic cloves, and your cucumber. All right, now we're gonna get all the ingredients into a medium saucepan, and then we're gonna put it on the heat, bring it to a boil. All right, a full cup of the white vinegar, half a cup of the apple cider vinegar. All right, we got a half a cup of water. I'm gonna add my fresh thyme, 5 peppercorns, 1/8 of a teaspoon of chili flakes, half a tablespoon of coriander seed, 1 tablespoon and a half of sea salt. I'm just gonna crush the garlic with my hand, and you can just throw them in with the skins. All right, now I'm gonna start heating up the pickling liquid. Just turn it on high. And the last thing I have to add is the honey, but I'm gonna let this come up to temperature, and then I'm gonna add the honey because it just falls off the spoon when it's hot. It's just easier. So while the pickling liquid's coming up to a boil, I'm gonna show you how to cut the cucumber. Get rid of the top. And I like my pickles, I don't know, medium thickness. I really don't know, but I'll just show you a couple slices. About that thick, you know, pickle thick. There you go. I'm using this glass measuring cup to put all the cucumbers in, and then I'm gonna pour the liquid over that. So let's just stack them in there kind of neatly. So you just want some container that is giving you a little bit of room on the top, but you kind of want it to be nice and tight so the pickles are all together. And then you want your liquid to almost go over it, but it's okay if it doesn't completely go over it, because once the pickles start to soften up, they're gonna come down a little bit, and they should all be underneath the liquid at that point. Now I'm gonna add the tablespoon of honey, and then I just stir it in, and it just comes right off really easy. So now I'm gonna pour the pickling liquid over the cucumbers through a little strainer so I get out all the herbs and spices. I'm just gonna dump a little off. There you go, that's a perfect level. Now saran wrap the top. Got them all sealed up. Gonna throw them in the fridge, probably an hour and a half, 2 hours. They're gonna be cooled down and perfectly pickled. So it's been a few hours and we're just gonna give them a try. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh my god, they're really good.
Quick pickles, y'all.
They're pickly.
If you're in a pickle and you need a pickle, now you know how to do it real quick.
It's quick pickles.
Thanks for joining us. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe, really helps the channel. If you got another pickle recipe, I'd love to hear it. Honestly, I love pickles.
Yeah. In the future, we're gonna do pickled red onions, which is one of my favorite accoutrements.
They're nice and beautiful too. They're like
Yeah.
super pink. I put them on sliders along with
I love them on salads,
Yeah.
on anything, just to give it that extra like.
Thanks for joining us.
Staring off.
We'll see you guys next time. Eat a pickle. Peace.